How to assemble and program Lumex LED downlights. Parts required: 240-volt AC power,
Quick Connect Power Lead, LED Downlight Controller, LED Downlight, SIM ejector or similar, Lumex remote. Connect the downlight to the controller. Then connect the Quick Connect lead to the LED controller. Connect the controller to 240-volt mains power. When power is first applied to the controller, the LED downlight will flash 3 times. Next, we need to select the correct channel on the remote. Generally, the motor controller will be on the first channels. For this example, the motor will be on channel 1, so we will set up the downlight on channel 2. To quickly pair the remote to the controller, remove the wall bracket. Turn the remote over. Use the SIM ejector or a small pin. Press the small button on the back of the remote. The downlight will turn on. Then press one of the buttons on the front of the remote, usually the up button. After a short time, the downlight will flash quickly several times. When the downlight has stopped flashing, press the up button on the remote to confirm that the downlight turns on or off. The remote is now paired to the controller.